Hi, students. Today's lesson, we're going to talk about medicine, right? Medical things. Medicine. If you remember medicine from our vocab words, it's things that you take to help you when you are sick. So you're sick, you take medicine, right? So these are words that we use for talking about medicine. Okay, this first one is drop. Drop, right? So you use a drop with medicine, right? Like in your eye, you can use it in your nose, a drop in your mouth, drop in your ear, right? You can use medicine that way. Then we have these words: tablet, pill, capsule. So these are all what a tablet, a pill, a capsule is. So sometimes your medicine will say, take one pill, take one tablet, take 2 capsules, right? So that's how, that's what that is a pill or a tablet. This next one, okay, this one's kind of hard to pronounce. Prescription, 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 okay? It's what your doctor writes, your prescription for your medicine. So you go to doctor, your doctor gives you prescription, right? Okay, this next one is refill, right? So you can get your medicine needs a refill. So you take all your medicine is empty, it's gone. So you go to get a refill to fill it back up. Okay, next one. So this word is discard. Discard. Discard means put in trash, right? Throw away. Do not, right, eat it. Discard. It means to get rid of, right? So with medicine, when you discard medicine, you do not throw in the trash. You usually take it back to, so you get your medicine, you take it back to the pharmacy. The pharmacy. So the pharmacy is not the doctor, it's where you get your medicine. You go to the pharmacy, you give prescription, they give you the medicine, right? So this is a pharmacy, right? We say pharmacy. Okay, this next one is teaspoon, tablespoon. So sometimes your medicine, they say, oh, take 1 teaspoon or take 1 tablespoon, right? So you also can use this for cooking, right? 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon for medicine. Okay, sorry. So 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon. So let's go over the words again and say them a couple times. Drop, drop, drop. Tablet, tablet, tablet. Pill, pill, pill. Capsule, capsule, capsule. Prescription, prescription, prescription. Oh, I don't know what just happened. Let's see. What just happened? Oh, there we go. Prescription, prescription, prescription. Okay, then we have refill, refill, refill. Discard, discard, discard. Pharmacy, pharmacy, pharmacy. Teaspoon, teaspoon, teaspoon. Tablespoon, tablespoon, tablespoon. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do a worksheet. So this says how much and when. So when we say how much, it means one medicine, how much medicine, right? 1 medicine, 2 medicines. How much do you take? Do you eat? What's the number, right? And then when we say when, it's like what time? What time do you do this? When? So this first one we want to look at is how much. How much? And this is one tablet at bedtime. Bedtime is when you go to sleep, right? So it says how much. So we can go ahead and write how much one tablet when we can say at bedtime. This next one, how much on this one? It says 1 teaspoon every 4 hours. So how much? We say 1 teaspoon. When? We can say every 4 hours. Every 4 hours. So that means if it's 7 o'clock, you take the medicine, then you go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? 4 hours. So you take it at 11, right? Okay, next one. Let's go to the next ones. Okay, so this one is drops, right? The medicine is drops. So we can say, oh, how much? How much medicine do you use? And it says 3 drops in each ear. So we would write, okay, so 3 drops. That's how much. When do you do it? It says at bedtime again. So it says at bedtime. So at bedtime means maybe 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, whenever you go to sleep at night, right? At bedtime. Next one, how much? How much for this one? It says take 2 capsules in the morning, right? So how much? It says to take 2. So you want to take 2 capsules in the morning. So that's when. 2 capsules in the morning. So that could be 8 o'clock a.m., 7 a.m., whenever. That's pretty much morning. When you wake up, right? When you eat breakfast. That's the morning. Okay. All right, now let's do another one. Okay, so this is more medicine. All right, now let's look at this one. So this is asking how much, and this says 1 tablespoon 3 times a day. That's the prescription. That's what it tells you. How much? So we would say 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. When? When do you do this? It says 3 times a day. 3 times a day. So that would mean you take one usually at breakfast, right? 1 at breakfast, 1 at lunch, 1 at dinner, right? You eat your breakfast, you take 1 tablespoon. You eat lunch, 1 tablespoon. You eat dinner, 1 tablespoon. So that's 3 times a day. Okay, next one, how much? It says 2 tablets before meals. So this one, we would say, well, how much? It says 2 tablets. 2 tablets. So it's 2 of the little tablets. The next one is when. When. So when we say when, it says before meals, right? Before meals. So that means you eat. Before you eat, meaning, right? Remember before. So before you eat, you take a tablet. So it says when. So we would say before meals, before breakfast, before lunch, before dinner. Okay. Now let's keep going to the next one. Okay, next one, same thing. How much? How much medicine? So if you look, let's read together. It says 1 drop in each eye every 4 hours. So how much? Is it 1 tablet? Is it 1 tablespoon? It says 1 drop, right? 1 drop in each eye every 4 hours. So if it says 1 drop in each eye, that means you do 1 drop and you do 1 drop. So that means you're doing 2 drops, but 1 drop in 1 eye, 1 drop in 1 eye. Okay, when do you do this? Every 4 hours, right? So every 4 hours means if you wake up at 10 o'clock, right? 10 o'clock a.m., you do eye drops. Then from 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2. So at 2 o'clock, you do eye drops. Then from 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 o'clock, you do eye drops. So that's what it means by every 4 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4 hours go, you do eye drops. Okay, next one says 1 capsule twice a day with food. Okay, so this one says how much? Well, we know it says 1 capsule. 1 capsule. But when do we do it? So it says twice a day. Twice means 2 times. So it means you need to take 1 capsule 2 times a day. So that means 2 capsules. And when you take it, you need to eat food with it. So there isn't a time. It's just saying you need to take 2 every day and you need to eat it with food, right? So it says twice a day. Twice a day. Okay, so that's it for today. That's our lesson. And I'll see you next.